Today we are going to we'll try to install Windows 11 on a Windows 10 machine, which is not supported. My machine is not supported, although I have everything. I mean, RAM 16 GB, Windows 10, okay, the original Windows 10. Uh, Other features of TMP also. Only the processor is not perfect. So if I have to show you from here, what was that? PC health check. Uh, yeah, the processor is not supported for Windows 11. Up just to show you, we check this window. This PC doesn't currently meet the Windows 9 system requirement. Check the processor isn't supported by Windows 11. Okay, I have an i5 although 2.5 gigahertz, but I think the different processor just upgraded to this, just one upgrade to this i5 is needed. Okay, that's unfortunate. So somehow I found the link. How can we install? So if you go to this support, yeah, way to install Windows 11. So if you come here over here in the warning, you can see Microsoft recommend against installing the Windows 11 on a device that does not meet the requirement, basically the minimum system requirement. Okay, if you choose to install Windows 11 on a device that does not meet these requirements and you acknowledge and understand the risk. So this is one of the key thing, guys. Please don't if you don't want to lose the data or something wrong. If your very system is very crucial, I'll try not to recommend not recommend to try these things. Okay, uh, so you can create the following registry. How to do that? So we can bypass this check registry. We have to create a registry key value pair to bypass TMP 2.0. I have that. CPU family, this is I don't have. Model I have proper. Okay, so and yeah, so that's the registry key, name and value. So if I'll quickly uh, open the registry editor. Okay, it's the local machine. System setup. Key. More setup. Okay, and here I can create, that's my registry name. Registry name. Was there any more setup before this? That system, local machine, local machine system setup. That's the only setup. More setup, registry key. Well, if I, huh, how to do that? Okay, what's this type? Ah, how I can't. I don't know. I can't change type. How can I change type? Okay. I'm so sorry. I should have deleted this one and then create uh, setup. Under the setup, I need a new that's more setup and new type ref d word. I think d word comes with string where as in value. No, delete it. Uh-huh. Nope. Let me try some other way. Multi-string. Nope. Binary. Nope. I'm very new. I've never done this before. So dword. That's the one. Wait a second. What if? Yeah, 64. I'll delete these three. Okay. Yeah. So value. I'll put this name. Okay. Value 1. Okay. Is it safe to use allow upgrade with unsupported TMP or CPU? I'm reading one of the article. For now, enabling, disabling, deleting registry that doesn't need CPU. After all, Microsoft themselves shared these little registry to bypass people looking to try Windows 11. Otherwise, our support system can do so. This seems to create a time for your setup. Yeah, and one more thing. So, uh, why I'm installing just to try Windows 11, and if it doesn't work, I'll come back to Windows 10. So there's a 10 days window. You can come back to Windows 10. Okay, let's quickly do. Okay, this is done. Serious problem might occur if you modify registry incorrectly by using registry editor or by using another method. These problem might require to reinstall the operating system. So I have I have taken the entire backup of my system. Okay, so Microsoft cannot guarantee that these problems can be solved. Modify the registry at your own risk. Be very careful, guys. Okay, so upgrade the launching setup. The to installation path variable. Upgrade the launching setup media. Okay, okay. So give a face start. Create use third-party tool directly on Windows 11 disk. Okay, and there was one more thing. How to download Windows 11. So there's Windows 11 download. That's the link. I'll put the link on the video. Okay. So before this as assistant, I mean something similar to health check application. Create installation by media. If you install, if you want to pre-install the system, use this option. Download creation media tool. Okay. So let me download it. Okay, and download Windows 11 image. The option is used for to create bootable solution, not to create So this is, so I have actually already downloaded this particular ISO. So yeah, if you see, I have it ready. Okay, let's see what this tool does.